Hey guys, I have a cool project that I just kind of came up with. I don't know, I was painting and thought about my felt hearts, the felt hearts that I get from Dollar Tree, just these. And I thought I want to see what watercolor painting them would be like. So this was a white heart, as you can tell from the back. And what I did was I took my spray bottle and I just sprayed it to get it wet. And then I took my watercolors and just kept painting more and more layers of colors on. This is the pink one of the pink hearts. And I did the same thing. And I think they turned out really cool. You can continue to build up the color if you want to. And then for the red one, oh, this is the side. Now you can see there's some glimmer and glitter, a little bit of sheen there, but that was a fail. I used the Coloro Fine Tech paints and it just didn't show up. I thought it might look really cool if I could get some metallic stuff going on, but it's so subtle. And these paints, while they're not expensive, they aren't cheap. And to do this, you need a lot of paint. So I recommend using one of your cheaper watercolor sets. This one I got, I think in January. You can see I've used this a lot. This is the Mailing Pretty Excellent watercolor set out of China. And it's $20 on Amazon shipped, if you have Prime. And it comes with a water brush. You can see how messy it is. You can see how much I've used it. I've used it a lot. And you can see the colors that I've used the most. So if you want to do this, I think they are so pretty. And then you can go and embellish them with other fabric pieces, or just you could make a banner with them. You could make them as a base for a card. Just all sorts of things that you can do with them. I thought they were really pretty. So I just wanted to share it with you. And you just go and you keep just dabbing more and more paint on. And it takes these a long time to dry. The red one I tried to dry with my heat gun, but it kind of started melting the felt. So I don't recommend doing that. But these will take, I think they took at least overnight to dry because they hold so much water. And yeah. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I thought they were pretty darn cool. If you guys are interested in seeing my galaxy paintings that I've been doing, I'd be happy to share them with you. I'm not going to show the process. There are so many people on YouTube who've done some really great videos, and for me it takes me a really long time to do one with all the layering and drying and trial and error. The first ones I did turned out pretty crappy, but the ones I'm doing now are turning out a lot better. So if you're interested, just let me know. Thanks guys. There you go. Talk to you later. Bye.